Ank has been not able to capture its decay as quiet from Anchor Protocol's group keeps on terrifying financial backers. The token is around 97% off its record-breaking high, having tumbled from $8.31 to 22 cents, starting around 2 June 2022. Assuming you are genuinely intrigued by Ank, we essentially have aggregated all the significant data you want to be aware of the Anchor protocol, and its truly local especially token in fact. In this video, we will especially talk about the most recent Anchor protocol news and really conceivable Ank figure for 2022, and then some, which is very critical. What is Anchor protocol and its local token Ank? Anchor is an investment funds convention based on the Terra blockchain, which means to offer low unstable yields on UST stores, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The stage was sent off by Terraform Labs on March 17, 2021. Anchor token, ANK, is the convention's local and administration token. Tokens can be saved to for the most part make new administration surveys, which can for the most part be decided on by clients marking ANK. ANK tokens most certainly are additionally given to remunerate borrowers. ANK is intended to catch a part of Anchor's yield, permitting its worth to scale straightly with Anchor's resources under administration, Anchor's site essentially said. How accomplishes Anchor protocol work incredibly? As indicated by its site, borrowers can acquire UST by utilizing digital forms of money like Luna and ETH as guarantee. Anchor protocol is likewise intended to offer returns as high as 20% to moneylenders or contributors on their UST stores incredibly. Anchor protocol's market-beating UST store returns pulled in yield pursuing financial backers as complete worth locked (TVL) on the convention, rose to more than $17 billion by genuinely early May 2022, information from DeFi Llama showed. Anchor protocol rapidly especially arose as a top DeFi stage in the blockchain area, as far as TVL close by the truly likes of Ethereum-based conventions OV and Curve in 2022. As UST began depegging between 7 May and 8 May, Anchor protocol generally saw its TOR drop around 20% in the range of 2 days, which explicitly is very huge. Capital departure from Terra's biological system resulted while UST, Luna and ANK costs truly crashed in the days that followed. When the residue settled, TVL on Anchor protocol generally had sunk from an unsurpassed high of $17.15 billion on 5 May to underneath $30 million on 31 May. Today, starting around 2 June, Terra has hard forked into another chain without UST in an unobtrusive manner. Anchor protocol's future remaining parts unsure. The reserve funds convention's reliance on UST for its getting and loaning tasks certainly makes the once flourishing stage in danger of being avoided with regards to Terra 2.0 seconds arrangements, which is genuinely huge. How worried is Anchor protocol on Terra's algorithmic stablecoin, UST? Weeks before the accident, 72% of UST's kind of absolute coursing supply, then, at that point, extremely worth about $13.15 billion, was secured in the Anchor protocol alone. Also, Anchor protocols in every way that really matters, high stablecoin yields were simply truly open to UST stores. What does Terra 2.0 mean for Anchor protocol? Following the breakdown of algorithmic stablecoin UST, Terra was in a limbo as financial backer trust in the biological system for the most part ended up in a seemingly impossible situation. Land's local symbolic Luna, which once sat among the truly top 10 most significant cryptographic forms of money, drooped from its record high of $119.18, hit under 2 months. New LUNA2 tokens will for the most part be airdropped to Luna Classic stakers, Luna Classic holders and UST holders. The arrangement likewise put out a rundown of fundamental applications whose designers would get subsidizing and support for expanding on Terra's new chain. Anchor protocol was not referenced in that frame of mind of certainly fundamental applications that must exist in any WEB3 environment to essentially be reasonable, which is genuinely critical. Starting around 1 June, there has been no correspondence from Anchor protocol on its guide and the result of Terra's hard fork. Clients on Anchor protocols, especially Official Gathering, sort of grumbled about its site not working and being not able to pull out their collateralized resources, which is genuinely huge. A few voiced worries about Anchor protocol's client service. Many really addressed in the event that Anchor protocol will in every practical sense exist on the new Terra chain. Will $Anch genuinely token and Anchor protocol move to Luna 2.0? Asked a client named Sabri in an unpretentious manner. Same inquiry here, and I can't really track down any response, composed client SIS in a similar string. Anchor protocol fundamentally has not put out any report with respect to its future on its site and on Twitter, starting around 1 June. Anchor protocol token, ANK, cost examination. Anchor protocol's ANK, really token sent off through an underlying decentralized trade offering, IDO, on 16 March 2021, at an initial cost of 5 cents in a significant manner. By 19 March 2021, ANK flooded to an unequaled pretty high of $8.31, information from CoinMarketCap showed. From that point forward, ANK has been not able to scale new pinnacles and collided with exchange around 22 cents, starting around 2 June 2022. As per the cost diagram, ANK saw solid additions in the principal quarter, Q1, of 2022, as additional financial backers conveyed their capital in the Terra-based reserve funds convention. In any case, ANK couldn't expand on this force as financial backer feeling turned really acrid on the rear of worldwide money-related fixing pressures. ANK by and large plunged to an untouched certainly low of $0.0504 on 13 May 2022. The market has likewise seen base fishing and high-risk wagers on ANK, as the truly token generally has returned more than 350% from all-time lows, starting around 2 June. In any case, at especially current costs of about 22 cents, ANK stays around 97% away from its unequaled high in the wake of losing around 93% year-to-date in 2022. Anchor protocol crypto cost expectation anticipated that ANK should exchange at a typical cost of 29 cents in 2022. Its drawn-out Anchor protocol coin cost expectation sort of proposed a token could hit a greatest cost of 41 cents by 2025 and $1 by 2030. While taking a gander at Anchor protocol forecasts, you ought to recall that digital currency markets are exceptionally unpredictable. Calculation-based figures and analysts' assumptions depend on past execution, which never ensures future outcomes. Expectations can explicitly be off base.